The upcoming Galaxy M32 from Samsung is expected to make its debut in India soon, and the latest round of leaked specs are here to bring more clarity on what we should expect. We also get official images from Samsung Mobile Press which shows the phone's design in full. The Samsung Galaxy M32 will bring a 6000 mAh battery that supports 15 watts fast charging. It will also bring a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display and reports that it supports 90Hz refresh rate panel and with U-shaped notch for 20-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. And talking about the camera, the back houses a quad camera setup with 48-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, alongside with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens with f1.2 aperture, a 5-megapixel macro lens, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor for portrait shots. In terms of build quality, the M32 has plastic frame and plastic back design similar to the A series that Samsung launched recently. The fingerprint reader will be found on the side of the device embedded to the power button. This phone will equip with MediaTek Helio G85 chipset with a clock speed of octa-core 2.0 GHz, combined with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. The Galaxy M32 comes with two variants, which is with 4GB of RAM and 64GB internal storage, and with 6GB of RAM and 128 internal storage, which will be expandable via microSD. And also, it is expected to come in black and blue color options. But so far, pricing info remains to be determined. So, what do you think, guys, of this new Samsung Galaxy M32? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you somehow like what you see here, subscribe to the channel is absolutely perfect. And as always, thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.